and humbled to be with all of you here today. It warms my heart to see how much you all love WPI. So here we are on this hill, looking forward, just as WPI's founders did 159 years ago. We must meet this moment with focus, a focus on our transformative STEM education, a focus on high-impact research, innovation, and entrepreneurship, a focus on our highly immersive campus experience that centers well-being, belonging, and our community. WPI alumnus Robert Goddard once said, "It's difficult to say what's impossible, for the dream of yesterday is the hope of today and the reality of tomorrow." WPI is an innovative and learning community. Here, our students, faculty, and staff find their people, pursue their passion, and live their purpose. With focus, determination, and collective effort, we will achieve a new level of excellence right here at WPI, beyond our imagination. And once again, it's a great honor to serve as WPI's president. Thank you so much.